Now, I would like to call upon Group Director Ma'am, Dr. Vandana Arora Sethi, to inaugurate the program and welcome our students. Dr. Sethi is a gold medalist. Dr. Sethi is a gold medalist from Delhi University and holds a master's degree in management from IIM Bangalore. She has an experience of more than 16 years, including industrial experience at Ranbaxy Research Laboratories, Gurugram, and at Smart Analyst Incorporation, Gurugram. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Soumya. I'm audible and visible both?
Yes, ma'am. Just a second.
Yes, ma'am. Perfectly audible.
Audible. My screen is visible, right?
Ma'am, your screen is visible.
Thank you, Soumya. And before I start, I must compliment Dr. Bhupender Som for a beautiful presentation and a very nice beginning to the induction program. So nicely said that from now on, I am not the only owner. You are all the owners of this new family that you have entered. And it feels really nice जब कोई नए member घर पे आते हैं. So we are equally elated. आप excited हैं, and we are equally excited. You've got a complete description of the PGDM program by Dr. Som, and also how you're going to behave. So my presentation today will be limited to how you will be interacting with me and what would be your role with me, right? So we start. Good morning, everyone. And thank you for giving me this chance to speak to you. We have already met earlier during the pre-induction talk, though some of you were not present at that time. So ladies and gentlemen, it is my great pleasure to welcome you to Lloyd Business School this morning. I wish to congratulate each of you first on having secured your place at Lloyd Business School, and second for having the good sense to choose Lloyd Business School for your higher studies. We put the student at the center of everything we do. So your experience here and your success is very important to each and every member of the staff who works at Lloyd Business School. I would really stress again on this कि जितने भी लोग यहाँ काम करते हैं, the entire staff and faculty, उसकी केंद्र बिंदु सिर्फ हमारे students हैं. और आपका success और आपकी journey Lloyd Business School में हमारे लिए सबसे महत्वपूर्ण है. Your arrival at Lloyd marks a new chapter in the story of your life. This day is about you, though it is online and virtual, and we hope that we meet physically very soon. Also for us, today is the high point of the year. Jitne excited aap hain, we are also excited to welcome our new people. It is a great pleasure to welcome you, our dear new students. Also, it is a great responsibility. This year there are more than 2,000 new students at Lloyd Group of Institutions. And we are happy to see that so many of students throughout India have found their way here. Now, in a couple of months, after the pandemic is over, you will have to come to the college, leaving the comfort of your homes, or in some cases, the discomfort of your homes. Some people really want to move out, कि घर से बाहर कब निकलेंगे, to become something in your life. I'm truly elated. The first day in postgraduate college is one of the very exciting days. And, but this excitement, let me tell you, is not free from challenges. The immediate challenge is of the online classes and the fear of uncertainty. But we shall soon be out of this, and the pandemic will be history. So let me tell you that it is, a new thing that we are learning, and we'll slowly come to it as we move forward. अभी तक क्योंकि during the pandemic time शायद आपकी classes नहीं हुई है, so this might sound very new to you. But all school kids also, from nursery to class 12th, all our board meetings also of the biggest companies in the world, everything is happening online and virtually. So why should you not learn this new game? So forget the immediate challenges for a moment. Let's go to long-term perspectives. Get prepared for the future. And I'm glad that you have chosen a futuristic course at Lloyd Business School. You are here to gather certifications which will skill you and make you corporate ready so that you rise to the highest leadership positions. And we are here to enable you to do that. In the subsequent slides, I shall be sharing certain things which are new, which I shall be interacting with you about. Some management lessons about, kahan se aap management lessons le sakte hain. In fact, you shall be happy and, excited to know that the subsequent slides that I'm going to share, there are just 3-4 slides. Those are the courses which are also taught at the IIMs. And mainly they initiated at IIM Calcutta, which is the most prestigious. So let me just move to the next slide. Yeah. So this is the first one. What we are going to study and which you're going to, do with me is the management lessons from movies. Yes, this is new. I shall be taking this module with you. So what we shall do in this, my dear PGDM students, is that we shall be watching a movie together in our auditorium in the large screen. Once you come here, you shall be able to see the large screens that we have in the auditorium. And then we draw out our management lessons from the movie. So I've just put some examples here, but throughout your PGDM 2 years, we shall be watching at least 12 movies. So I have put, some movies here. You can say Invictus, if you've not seen already. Invictus captures the sense of what is inspirational leadership. Inspirational leadership, समझते हैं, a leader who inspires, जैसे Mahatma Gandhi. So one role model and the entire India followed him. So Invictus is about Nelson Mandela and how to overcome personal hurt. So once you become a manager or once you become a leader, आपको ये सीखना है कि पर्सनल हर्ट से ऊपर कैसे उठें. मेरे जूनियर ने मुझे ये बोल दिया, मेरे बॉस ने मुझे ये बोल दिया, नाउ आज मैं पूरा दिन डिस्टर्ब हो गया या डिस्टर्ब हो गई, नाउ आई कैन नॉट मैनेज थिंग्स एनी मोर. Then you are not a good manager. You will not be able to survive in the industry for long. This is what you learn from Invictus. And you rise to a bigger cause. So Nelson Mandela learned how to come to terms with emotions. Instead of fighting with them, he worked with his emotions. So this is one of the leadership lessons from the life of Nelson Mandela. So once we watch this movie together, hum yahan dekhenge, and there'll be at least 30 lessons that we draw out of this movie. Then you can see, I've also put My Fair Lady, and there is Manpasand starring Devanand and Tina Muneem. So My Fair Lady and Manpasand teach you how to set high expectations and help people reach their true potential. So once you become, a leader or a manager, you have to help people also reach their true potential. It's not only about you, it is about your team. Very popular movie, Lakshay. So we shall be watching this also together. What are the management lessons you get from the movie Lakshay? Inspire to bahut log hote hain Lakshay se. So what do you get? You get that you have to recognize the hidden talent. So one is within you, and the second is in your team. There could be many whom you find probably कि इसमें तो कोई caliber नहीं है, ये कुछ नहीं कर सकता. There could be a hidden talent. You have to assign duty. That is what you learn. To set a target, the way this hero set a target, Hrithik Roshan. You have to believe in yourself and how to plan to achieve the target. These are just some of the management lessons that you learn. So once, because watching a movie is easier to understand. The lessons that we take from the movie are very easy to understand and absorb. क्योंकि movie देखने में सबको बड़ा मजा आता है. So, but what is the learning you get out of it remains embedded in your mind forever. तो कभी आप ऐसे situation में पहुंचेंगे तो आपको पता रहेगा, so this is how this person behaved and this is how I also have to behave in this situation. Then again, a very popular movie, Three Idiots. So what does it say? Three Idiots says, never try to be successful. Success is a byproduct. Excellence creates success. And what does Amir Khan says? Never run after success. It happens automatically in life. You pursue only excellence and success will follow. Then it also says freedom to life. So it says don't die before actual death. Live your life to the fullest. It also says passion leads to excellence. Junoon, that is really important when you are, pursuing anything in life, be it exercising, studying, higher education, and especially when you are in your job, when you become a leader, that is what you are here for. Then it also says necessity is the mother of invention. Remember the last scene where they, work on a generator and a vacuum pump, how it is used. So because that was needed at that time, so quick action, how they took it. Simplicity is life. Remember how Kareena Kapoor's watch was shown to be very simple? Because simplicity is life. That is how a manager behaves. And also, it does not forget to tell you that love is time and space free. Love is not time bound and space bound. That is also very well demonstrated in the movie. So there'll be many more, and we shall be learning our lessons through these. Also, I shall be taking up with you management lessons from history and mythology. हम बहुत सुनते हैं इनके बारे में, but our mythology is full of lessons which you as a student can learn. And why this is easy to understand and learn is because you relate to them. आप सब ये stories जानते हैं रामायण और महाभारत की, राम और कृष्ण की, and many more in mythology. I've just put simple examples here because you will know how to behave in various situations. So they say, what is your managerial style? Either like Lord Ram or Lord Krishna or a combination of both. What was different? I'll just take 1 minute to tell you how they were different. It was their managerial style and also the type of people they were leading. So it's not important what kind of a leader you are, but also आप उस time कौन से group of people को lead कर रहे हैं. So my style could be different when I'm leading a group of faculty. It could be different when I'm leading a group of students. It could be different when I've got little kids, when I'm leading them. So they say Ram was leading an army of monkeys, who were not skilled fighters. The monkeys wanted direction. While on the other hand, Lord Krishna was leading Arjun, who was, the best archer of that time. So Lord Ram's role was to show and lead from the front, whereas Krishna played the role of a coach whose job was to remove the cobwebs from the protege's mind. So Krishna couldn't teach Arjun archery, but he helped Arjun see things from a different perspective. Gita का ज्ञान. अर्जुन को तीर कमान चलाना नहीं सिखाया, लेकिन उस समय उसको क्या एक्शन लेना है वो कृष्णा ने सिखाया. Also, Lord Ram was a skilled warrior. He led monkeys. He was emotional and he motivated the army to fight for his cause. Whereas Lord Krishna worked with the best professionals. He provided strategic clarity, which is you as a leader, will have to do it many times. So we will learn about how you can, reflect what type of leader you are. one who keeps answering or solving the problems for people, or one who asks relevant questions from people so that they find their own solution. So we will have to find out, you know, from various mythological lessons, what kind of a person you are, और किस situation में आप कौन सा managerial style use कर सकते हो. I hope this will be very interesting for you. Also, this is the third and last thing that you will be learning is management lessons from leaders. So they say कि हम हमेशा अपनी गलतियों से क्यों सीखें. कई बार हमें दूसरों की गलतियों से सीख लेना चाहिए. सभी गलतियां हमें खुद नहीं करनी है. Also, there have been so many successful leaders. कई बार ये सवाल पूछा जाता है during interviews, who is your ideal? So why is it asked? That is, there are so many people to look up to in the world. कितने लोग हैं जो बहुत higher level पे पहुंचे हैं. So let's draw out case studies from their life and let's learn from them how they behaved. I've just put some examples here. Like, you know, the best lessons are learned from history actually. So what you can learn from Abraham Lincoln is powerful persistence. What he said was, always bear in mind that your own resolution to succeed is more important than any other. He was the 16th president of United States and his leadership exemplified determination, very strong-headed. And also persistence, thakna nahi hai, haar nahi manni hai. So we'll be learning more about, you know, the case study Abraham Lincoln. Then Oprah Winfrey, he said, surround yourself with people who are going to lift you higher. Let's not become negative about, you know, by what people say and who will always pull you down. Tu life mein kuch nahi kar sakta ya kuch kar sakti, jahan tu ja raha wo theek nahi hai. Surround yourself with people who are, you know, level-headed and who draw the best out of you. So, you know, Oprah Winfrey, she overcame a lot of difficulties to build an empire. And you must have seen the Oprah Winfrey show. You know, she's received many awards and she celebrates the success of others. And also it gives a reminder that great leaders surround themselves with individuals who have values. So that is a very good, you know, case study on valuable networks. आजकल ज़माना क्या है networking का, but your network should be valuable. गलत नहीं आपको इसको लेना है about networking. Don't network with people who pull you down. Then also very popular name these days, Amazon's Jeff Bezos. What case study can we develop in that? He says believing in a vision. So he's the CEO of Amazon.com. And he turned an idea about e-commerce that many people did not understand 20 years ago, you know, in the world. And now his vision was truly identified by, you know, his goal of transforming the way people purchase products, not simply to be an online merchant of books. Pura market hi badal diya Jeff Bezos ne, because he had believed in himself. He was believing in a vision that he saw. So we are going to, you know, learn about Jeff Bezos और हम वहाँ से कौन सी qualities extract कर सकते हैं. Again, I hope, you know, we'll be able to contribute more. Now just some gyan, how you're going to stay here for my dearest students who have joined PGDM today is that, you know, make sure that you attend your lectures. That number one. इसमें कोई shortcut नहीं है. You have to be available for all lectures, labs, whatever computer labs you will have, tutorials, you have to do your assignments, you have to read the material which is advised by your mentors, ensure that you have enough time for private study also, develop a study plan, go to the library. For the time being, use the online learning resources. So many links will be shared with you to read. That is your online library for the time being. And while we expect you to assume a new level of responsibility, also, please realize that you're not alone. So if you find things difficult, कहीं पे भी थोड़ी सी भी आपको difficulty आ रही है, अब आप अकेले नहीं हैं, please seek help from your mentors or your teachers. Just remember, you know, the e-learning thing which is coming up, the only thing that remains constant is change. And the new change is online and virtual. For the ones who adapt to the change, become successful. Ones who cannot perish. या तो आप इसे अपने लाइफ में उतार लीजिए, सिर्फ ऑनलाइन चैट करना या व्हाट्सएप या वीडियो कॉल्स करने के लिए नहीं है. ऑनलाइन इज द मीडियम नाउ for your education and a lot of other things. Imagine the biggest of companies are doing their meetings and all work online. So this is not a roadblock. इसको आप obstacle मत समझिए, इसको आप एक opportunity समझिए नई चीज सीखने की, और eventually जिस industry में आपको जाना है, that is how you will have to work. Today it is online. Maybe from 5 years from now, it could be some new development technologically. So we need to adapt with every change. That would be my takeaway thought. And attitude is everything. ये चीज आपको याद रखनी है. So I always leave a takeaway thought. जो लोग last time थे pre-induction में, if you remember what we said, every little thing has a humble beginning. Every big thing has a humble beginning. जितना बड़ा आपको बनना है, लेकिन शुरुआत एक छोटी सी seed से ही होती है. Today we share attitude is everything. You understand attitude? क्यों मैंने हिंदी में लिखा है नीचे? Attitude मतलब मनोदृष्टि. You could be very intelligent, लेकिन अगर आपका attitude negative है, इस दुनिया का कुछ नहीं हो सकता. यहाँ कभी कुछ नहीं होगा. So you will not be successful. If your attitude is positive, I will make it come. मैं ये काम करके रहूंगा. Then you will be able to do it. And not only about work, your attitude towards life, your attitude towards people. जितना बुरा आप लोगों में देखेंगे, उतनी बुराई आपको और नजर आएगी. अच्छाई देखेंगे तो अच्छाई नजर आएगी. You know, your life is a mirror. The way you look at it, it reflects back. So I would want you to remember this attitude thing. Attitude जैसा अपना रखेंगे, रवैया जिसे simple हिंदी में बोलते हैं, वैसी ही आपकी जिंदगी कटेगी. In fact, you can put a cutout. It is a very, very important quote. Your attitude is everything where it leads you. And with these few words of advice, I wish you every success at Lloyd Business School. And I'm confident that you will find an immensely rewarding experience here. I would end with a small shlok, which has been my favorite since my school years. It says, Om Sehnau Vavatu, Om Sehnau Bhunaktu. सह वीर्यम करवा वहे तेजस्वी ना वधी तमस्तु मा विदिशा वहे, which means Om, may the divine protect both the teacher and the student. Let us be nourished and protected. May we work together with great energy. May our studies be effective. May we never hate or fight another. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Thank you very much and all the best to all of you.